Hello everyone, today we are making rice kheer. Let's start with the ingredients: milk, sugar, ghee, mixed dry fruits, rice and bay leaves. First boil the milk. While it boils, wash the rice. Cook the rice for a few minutes. Throw the excess water and add rice to the milk. Add ghee. Add dry fruits. Add sugar. Mix it well. Let it cook for a few minutes. Then add bay leaves. Rice kheer is ready to eat. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe to our channel. Comment below which recipe would you like to watch next.